You can always search the DNS and the DHCP servers to get a list of all the computer names and IP addresses on your network. But let me show you a better and faster way to do that. This website is one of many and has a software which you can download for free that does exactly what it's meant to do. Scan your local network and create a list of all the discovered IP addresses, computer names, and more. Click here to start the download, and here to execute the file once the download is complete. A nice feature is presented to you as you start the installation. Click here to install the software and be able to use it now and in the future, or here to run the software without installing it. Make your choice. Click here to see additional options during the installation and click Next. Choose a path and then check any of the options that you prefer not to be implemented. Then click Next. Make sure you read and memorize the license agreement before clicking here, and then click it. The application will run if this is checked when you click Finish. Please note, if this is not checked, the application will not run. This will eventually force you to double-click the icon on your desktop to run the application. A simple yet advanced interface is revealed. Now, concentrate and follow precisely these most complex instructions.
Please subscribe.
Without my guidance, you will probably be lost and will never figure out how to use this application. The IP addresses range displayed here is automatically identified based on the IP address of your computer. You don't have to change this unless you intend to scan a different IP range. This is the first IP in the range, and this one is the last. The usage instructions have only one step. Click here to initiate the scan. Within seconds, a list of all the identified computer names and IP addresses will be displayed, as well as any shares and available services. You can always play with the available options here to have more pretty buttons displayed right here. If you click Settings and then Options, you'll be able to choose which services are scanned and any additional custom ports. It's always a nice effort by the developers to take the time and translate the entire interface to your favorite language. Let me know in the comments below if your language is not on the list. Clicking the Scan button again will display the results with any additional fields. Eventually, you can save the results in a file for future viewing. So, do you like this tool? Will you use it? Or maybe there's another, even better tool that you use. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And never forget that you absolutely must watch this video next.